Hello everyone. So in this session we will see what is a holding company and a subsidiary company. So holding company is defined by section 246 of the Companies Act 2013 and subsidiary company is defined by section 287 of the Companies Act 2013. Now subsidiary company is a company in which holding company controls the composition of the board of directors, or has more than 50% of share capital either by itself or other subsidiary company. Has more than 50%. Now more than 50% is important. That is, it has to be more than 50%. It cannot be 50%. So it has to be more than 50%. So has more than 50% of share capital either by itself, that is holding company has that more than 50% of share capital, or some other subsidiary company. So that is indirectly controlled through some other subsidiary company. So this more than can be either by holding company itself or other subsidiary company of a holding company. Now let us take one example and see this. Now ABC is a company and there is one more company PQR. Now ABC, now PQR has a share capital, paid up value of the share capital of 1 lakh. Now ABC is holding 60,000 shares in PQR. So ABC is holding more than 50% of shares in PQR. So ABC is a holding company and PQR is a subsidiary company of ABC. Now there is one more company XYZ. The paid up capital of XYZ is 2 lakhs. Now this ABC is holding 50,000 shares in XYZ and the PQR is holding 60,000 shares in XYZ. So the total share holding in XYZ by ABC and its subsidiary of PQR is how much? 50,000 plus 60,000. So that comes to 1,10,000. Now this 1,10,000 is greater than 50%. So XYZ is also a subsidiary company. Now subsidiary company of whom? Subsidiary company of ABC. Since PQR is a subsidiary company of ABC, XYZ is also subsidiary company of ABC. So in this case, ABC is a holding company and PQR and XYZ are the subsidiary companies. So the holding company is the company which either controls the composition of board of directors or it has more than 50% of shares directly invested in the subsidiary company or through its other subsidiary companies. So that is a holding company, and the company in which the shares are invested are known as subsidiary companies. So this was about what is a holding company and subsidiary companies.